Exciting rumors are swirling around Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 lineup, from potential new chips to advanced thermal designs. Let's see what we can expect. For the base model iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, we should see an A17 chip. However, this may not be the same A17 Pro chip that is currently inside the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple is likely to use a lower cost process for a standard, A17, chip that could make its way to the standard iPhone 16 models. Analyst Jeff Pu thinks that Apple will go a different route and simply use A18 and A18 Pro names for the new chips. This would mean that all iPhone 16 models would have some variation of an A18 chip rather than going with an A17, which could be seen as a last generation chip. While overheating was an issue with launch day iPhone 15 models, it is said that Apple has worked on a new thermal design to help with heat dissipation. This could be in the form of a graphene thermal system for the base iPhone 16 models, while the iPhone 16 Pro might have a metal battery casing. Right now, the iPhone uses copper for the heat sinks, but graphene has higher thermal conductivity. There have been rumors that Apple has been working on its own in-house 5G modem chips, but that won't happen in 2024. Instead, the iPhone 16 Pro may use Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem for faster and more efficient 5G connectivity. However, the base model iPhone 16 will continue to use the Qualcomm X70 chip that is currently in the iPhone 15. The iPhone 16 could also have Wi-Fi 7 technology that could get at least 30 gigabits per second, up to 40 gigabits per second. As we await official announcements from Apple, it's clear the iPhone 16 series promises significant upgrades in performance, connectivity, and thermal management, setting the stage for another leap in smartphone technology. Stay tuned as Apple unfolds exciting features of its upcoming flagship. Until next time, techies, stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.